Hi, my name is Fausto Sahid Zamora, and this is the final reflection about the project of computational thinking. So the poll we chose was Retelling of Ben 10 Argue. We chose it because me and my partner liked a lot Ben 10, and we thought it would be curious if we created something that would tells you which alien were you. So this is the official page where we got all the information for the aliens. It's the official wiki fandom of Ben 10. So now we are going to pass to the coding. Here is a more general look at the coding, and now I'm going to explain the different parts of the code and show you in the way how the code works. So please here run. And first, we are going to explain the input. Here, the inputs are the answers given by the user to the machine and to the code, and that the code process. So here we have a quick, slow, medium. So I'm going to input quick in this case. Then we have the calculations. So we can see in the code that to each question it has three different answers. Depending on the answer you get is the punctuation of each individual question. In our case, we used the 10, 20, and 30. At the end of the coding, we made a calculation summing all of those points you got throughout throughout the coding, and it sums all of them, and the final punctuation you get at the end is the final alien you are going to get. Like here we have the different punctuations you need to get each specific alien, which are 240, 150, 300. So those were our calculations. For the next, the decisions. For the decisions, we have three different options for the most questions. And for last questions, we have two two possible two possible decisions. Here we are going to use water. And now I'm going to explain the loops. So in our case, the loop, if you don't use the correct answer that the code needs, you are going to get rejected, and it's only going to appear another answer, meaning that you need to put the right answer in the right way for the coding to continue. Like if I put here A, it would not work, and it would just show me another answer, and I have to correct my answer. I'm going to put B. And the output in the case of our code is the final alien you get, and we made a you get your final alien with a final description. So yes, this is the output of our program. So to improve our coding, we actually need more information, more knowledge about coding, because we made this code too long, and it can be done even shorter. And also we can improve it by making the questions not that a specific type of questions. Like it would have been better if we put just like A, B, or C and explain well to the user that characteristic. So in here, I'm going to to show you how the coding ends. I'm going to answer it one by one. 8 heavy, site, useful, basic, being God. So as you can see, at the end of our coding, it comes the output. Here it tells you your alien, depending on the punctuation you get. In my case, I got the alien X, and we show a brief explanation that in our case is you are God, you can do whatever you like to do, only if you convince the other two minds that are inside you. Good luck with that. So this is our coding, and for the problems by the teamwork, it was pretty difficult because we couldn't be creating the code at the same time. So we needed to think about other strategies. So this helped us to develop skills to find a solution in which one does it, but at the same time, the other one is actually helping him creating the code. And and the coding has individually shown us how to improve in new ways of learning and creating something because we had to think a lot to see how to make the calculations to get the final alien, and throughout the process we actually had to kill a lot of ideas that we had. So that is all for my part. Thank you a lot for your attention, and have a nice day.